Hey, what's going on, guys? Oscar here, SOS Customz, and today working on my own personal vehicle. It is a 2017 Toyota Tacoma, and I'm going to be installing a LED light bar. And this light bar I got on eBay. Hey, I know sometimes not the best products, but it was really cheap, so we're going to go ahead and try to install it and see how it works out. And it is off. That's what it looks like inside there. Okay, so this is the button that we're going to be using for our LED light bar. So the first thing I'm going to do is just kind of take this apart so I can plug the button in there. And I'm actually going to take a picture to remember how these wires go. So I'm going to do that, and then we're going to plug that in right here. Alright, now it's time to pull this cable out. Running here through the firewall. I'm going to go ahead and connect it to its counterpart, which is somewhere around here. Here we go. This connection is going to mount up to this one. And it should clip in like that. Then we're going to go ahead and mount this relay right here to the ground. Looks like it's an 8mm. And then after that, we're just going to mount this right here to our positive and our negative, and then we should have power. Alright, so let's go ahead and get that done. Last connections here to make sure that we got power. Alright, so we went ahead and we connected our relay, and we've connected the positive and the negative cables to the terminals, and we're pretty much at the point where we can connect our light bar to our power source. So right here is the moment of truth. It's before we do all our installation and stuff like that. I'm gonna make sure that this works, right? Because then I'm gonna be stuck in the middle of my installation and not have any power from this thing. So obviously we're going to do red to red and black to black. This is just temporary, just to see if it works, and I'm going to go ahead and turn on our button. So let's see if this thing works. Let there be lights. Oh, the connection's a little loose, but we can see it works now. So I just gotta go ahead and put some ends on this, and then we're gonna mount it, and that should be it. I went ahead and removed the grill, removed the two splash guards on the side, and went ahead and did a test fit on our LED light bar. So I think I'm gonna mount it right here on the bumper bar, impact bar, whatever you want to call it, right there, and so that way it can sit right here, right where we want it. So I think it just needs to be adjusted to kind of sit exactly where we want it, but that should be it. These are the connections that you need to make, and that's pretty much it. I'm gonna go ahead and do I'm gonna go ahead and turn them on, double check that the work is good before we want to mount it one last time. Whoa, that is super bright. I can't even look at that. That thing is super bright. That looks good though. Alright, let's go ahead and mount this bad boy that's where we're gonna mount it right there. These are the brackets that came with our LED bar. So it just bolts right here, and then we're gonna go ahead and mount it right here on the impact bar. And that should be it. Then we're gonna go ahead and put these back on. This lower tie bar, flash guards, and the grill. Go back on, just a couple clips, a couple screws. Hey, what's going on, guys? So I'm in my truck. It's about midnight, so it's really dark out, and I got my LED low beams on and my LED fog lights on, but I want to show you what happens when I throw on the LED light bar. Bam! See ya. What you doing over there? What you doing over there? See, so it's really bright. Sorry, I'm like blinding my neighbor. Hey, thank you guys so much for watching this video. If you have any questions, go ahead and give me a message on Instagram at SOS_Customz. Peace out.